In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Downgrade plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your later account to switch to a plan that fits your needs, whether you want more features or a simpler setup. Start by logging into your later account. Make sure you're using the correct login for the workspace you want to manage, and that you have permission to make subscription changes. If you manage multiple brands or workspaces, double check you're in the right one before moving on, because plan changes apply to the active workspace you're viewing. Once you're in, head to Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find settings in the left sidebar or under your profile menu at the top. This area is your control center for account preferences, team access, and billing details. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with where settings lives can save you time the next time you need to make adjustments. Inside settings, look for subscription. This section is where your current plan, billing cycle, and available plan options are displayed. It's also the best place to get a quick overview of what your current plan includes so you can compare it to other options. If you're evaluating features like the number of social profiles, post scheduling limits, or analytics access, this is where you'll see what's included at each level. Next, select Upgrade Plan or Change Plan. You might see one or the other depending on your current plan and interface version. Upgrade Plan is typically used when you're moving to a higher tier, while Change Plan lets you switch to a different tier, including downgrading. Either way, this is the doorway to adjusting your subscription. Now choose the new plan you want. Take a moment to compare the tiers side by side and consider what matters most for your workflow. The number of users you need, supported platforms, advanced analytics, or features like link-in bio tools. Also think about your billing preference. Monthly plans offer flexibility, while annual plans often provide savings, though they require a longer commitment. If you're moving down to a smaller plan, keep an eye on any limits or features that might be reduced so there are no surprises in your day-to-day work. And if you're moving up, note how added capacity or features can streamline your scheduling and reporting. That's it, you've navigated to the right place, evaluated your options, and selected the plan that matches your goals. Whenever you need to adjust again, just repeat these steps and you'll be set.